Hi, welcome back to another video of Space Kids 101. You may wonder. Oh, that's Clea. She's also assisting. This thing on my arm right here is from my swimming. So if you do swimming like on a team or something, you'll know what this is. So the day has finally come. We have a VR headset. Clea, go get your go get the case.
Here's the case.
We have the Oculus case. So
that was in our
scissors.
last channel.
Scissors, yeah, this was in our last video.
Scissors.
I thought you had them.
Here's scissors. You know, you can just rip it up.
Yeah, I don't want to though, because I don't want to damage the thing in case it's bad.
And Mario Slim's.
Oh yeah, also do this. Always do this with parent supervision. Meta Quest 2. Here we
Might
go.
not be it.
This is the Meta Quest 2.
Oh, here it is. Let's see.
The box. This is what the Meta Quest 2 looks like.
See.
The bottom, sides, and the front, the back.
I love the back. I love this.
Okay, let's open it. I don't know how to open this. Oh, it's from the side. It's from the back. I think.
Don't want
This is we don't have a Quest, so this is quite new. Hey Dad, you wanna come up here? Okay. My Dad's gonna come up here. Help us set up the game. Oh my god, this tape is pretty harsh.
How do you open
Yeah, I showed you in last video the inside and the outside. It was on a short.
Sure.
I think there is a video. I'm not gonna be so sure. I'm gonna have to recheck.
That's where you put the VR.
Let's see here. I think that's all the tape. How do we get this open? Do we just pull it out? I think we do.
What's that?
The Meta Quest 2, of course.
Okay, no, don't rip it, Daddy.
No,
You already ripped it?
no, I didn't. Okay, so here's the box. That was inside. I also showed you the side. So it says Meta Quest 2. Let's open it. Here's the beauty you've been looking for the whole time.
Show it to them.
This is not Liam's.
So here's the VR headset.
And he's gonna share it with me.
Maybe.
No, yes, we will.
Yes, we will.
Put them here. Put them here.
This is for like eye covering. And I think this is like an extension cord. I'm not gonna be so sure. Charger. Quest 2
That's a
holders.
silicone cover.
Oh,
So
silicone
you
cover.
put it here over this.
So we have it like, jeez, we got the controllers.
Yeah, one's for me, one's for him.
No. Not one. No, we need both controllers to
This is
actually
if
play.
you wear sunglasses or eyeglasses, you put this.
Oh, okay, got
So
it.
you're not gonna technically use that. Leave it in the box.
This if you use sunglasses.
This is we have to put it over.
So yeah, this is crazy. I'm gonna show you how it fits in the box. So we're gonna open the charger.
Okay? There's that.
No, Clea, don't rip it.
Meta Quest 2 charger.
Leave it there.
Dang.
Where's the charger?
I've been-
You don't have to unbox. Let me
I
see
have
what.
been waiting for
This is a
week.
USB-C, so it's the same like.
Yeah, you put it inside the slot.
I know, but
right
that's the
here.
same you use to charge your iPad, so you don't have to really open this, okay?
How do you put these in?
Well, let's see, Daddy. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out once you're done with the
My
video.
drip, my drip, my drip.
You can remove
Linger
this.
on my drip.
Remove this. Daddy.
My drip, my drip, my drip. Linger on my drip. Okay, supposed to be like this, I think. Sorry I can't show you it, but yeah, that is Meta Quest 2. Please like and subscribe. How do I look?
Where? Can I try it?
Yeah, sure, just black.
Did you tell them how
My drip.
Amazon like didn't show that it's gonna be delivered?
I know, so we it said in a week it would be delivered, and today it's still on order. It was still on order, and we thought it wouldn't come, and then
Hey
it
Claire,
just
let me
came.
put this on it.
Oh man, this is actually crazy. I don't think these fit in
Can I
here.
try this?
No,
They do. I'll show you in a second.
hang
Just
on.
don't break
I
them.
just want to see. My drip, my drip, my drip. Linger on my drip. I think they're supposed to go like this. Yeah, use the controllers.
Whoa, it has these?
Yeah.
This
And they
silicone
have-
cover does not
How do you know when your eyes are closed?
the best.
I don't know. You just get used to it, and yeah. And when you
Yeah,
have
we're
both.
not gonna do this.
So yeah, that's it for Meta Quest 2.
Make the
If you just broke.
No, I did not. Hopefully I didn't. Okay, bye.